Today I am in the Dallas Processing Center for Operation Christmas Child. We're going to be inspecting shoeboxes and sending them on their way. When you get to the processing center and you enter the doors, you have a bag check, and then you go over here and you're gonna wait in line until they can position you into one of the stations. Those are the stations where we inspect the boxes. And then the boxes go down the conveyor belts to the trucks where they're being loaded. And then there's other trucks where they're being unloaded and taken to the station. And it's really loud in here, so I hope that you can hear me. Area, you have bathrooms and tables to sit at. There's a gear store where you can buy lots of fun things, Chick-fil-A, vending machines. You can come over here and take a nice little break. There's a little segment on year-round volunteers and a place for your prayer requests. Over here we have some sit-down jobs where here's my friend Sandra. Hi, Sandra. Hi. They are getting. What are you doing today?
Well, I started the day doing jewelry, but now I'm doing little beanie babies.
You're taking them out of the packaging for fillers?
Yep.
All right.
The little baby bears.
The boxes come down this conveyor. The cartons come down this conveyor from the trucks, and then we pull them out. And our first station is pre-inspect, where she's looking for money and literature and just kind of a quick check. And she puts it up on top of the rack, and then we have the inspecting station. At the inspecting station, we're making sure that there's none of the items that can't be in the boxes and that they're full. And if they need some extra love, we've got filler here that we're going to put in them. Then they are set up here and they go to our taping station where they are taped. After being taped, they are scanned and they are put into the cartons. Hey Anna, what are you doing today?
I am cartonizing.
And what does that mean?
Trying to make these boxes fit pretty into this box so we can get as much as possible into each box.
How many boxes do you normally fit inside?
Around 15. So if we get less than that, if we have really big boxes, we have to spread out the big boxes to make sure we're still getting around 15. Okay. You gotta do your job, Miss Jett.
Okay. Scan. Scan.
All right, guys, table 3,
The box comes over here to the conveyor belt where the taper tapes it.
We've been scanning everything correctly, so thank you guys for being a part of that with processing. And then with every shoebox gift that we have, we are very intentional about praying for that shoebox gift and that it gets there safely through customs, but also for the child. So just wanted to take a moment to watch a highlight video on the power of prayer.
Leaving at 5 o'clock, and so far we've processed 39,000 boxes, so probably it'll be close to 62 like it was yesterday. Boxes today are going to Mexico and Paraguay. We just finished working, and we are getting our free t-shirt for volunteering, and then we're gonna head back to the hotel. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Toodles!